Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy in the month of December as we wrap up the year of 2021. So right here, in the past 24 hours, the market is pretty much trading flat. We're only up about 0.26%. We have our top gainer here in the past 24 hours, Request, which is up about 44%, trading at 76 cents right now. We have Bitcoin up at 36.1 billion here in volume. Ethereum at 28.9 billion. So Ethereum's volume has skyrocketed in the past 24 hours or so. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's is kind of just staying stable. So this is kind of a crazy thing to see Ethereum's volume catching up to Bitcoin. And what would be even crazier is if Ethereum's volume was higher than Bitcoin, because we haven't seen that. Honestly, I haven't seen that ever, but I'm sure it's happened at some point. That would be a huge thing, obviously. Now, in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down about 1.2%, trading at 57,000. Meanwhile, Ethereum is up 1.69%, trading at around 4,700. So Ethereum is only about $150 away from all-time highs. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's about $12,000 away from all-time highs. So that is insane right now as well, as Ethereum continues to grow. And I feel like a lot of these inflation issues that are going on right now in the world, and now with Jay Powell pretty much yesterday announcing that into 2022 inflation is still going to be here and things are going to continue to happen. A lot of people might be getting out of Bitcoin right now, and a lot of people are transferring into Ethereum, which is outperforming technically in the past few weeks. So that is definitely interesting right there. Then we have these altcoins here, like Binance is up 2%, Solana's up 3%, Cardano and Ripple pretty much flat here, Polkadot flat, Dogecoin and the other meme, Shiba Inu, making a downward trend again. Dogecoin still in the low 20s. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is down about 9.5% or so. And then we have altcoins that are all over the place. Some of them are down a few percent, some of them are up a few percent, and we obviously have some that are pretty much trading flat. So it's definitely interesting to watch what's going on right now in the market, as there's many different things going on and everything is shuffled up. So guys, before we get into this content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Coinbase, get your $10 for free when you sign up for Coinbase and invest your first $100 in the crypto market space. Now let's get into the bubbles and see what's going on in the past week. In the past week right here, we can see our top gainer, Request, which is up over 272%. We have some other gainers down here, like Mobox, which is up about 64%, CertK, which is up about 71%, and many other little gainers here on this list that you guys can see. So the market is all over the place. A little bit of green, a little bit of red. It depends what we're looking for, but nothing major except Request. That's going to be our top winner right here. No huge losers really on this list as well. So now let's get into our first altcoin. It's going to be Engine. So Engine, ENG. So this one right here is down about 2.5%, trading at $3.54. In the past week, we're down about 8% on this one. In the past month, we're up 37%, with highs that we saw here at around $4.85. So this one continues to move higher and higher here. And obviously, this is another play that we can, talk about in the non-fungible token area, I guess you could say, in the NFT world. So kind of involved kind of a little bit with NFTs, a little bit with the metaverse. It depends how you're going to look at it. But right now it's booming here. In the past year, we're up over 2,309%. So last year this was trading at 16 cents. We saw the first high in here in March at 250, another high here in April at 345, pulled back down with the market to under $1 at one point, and then pulled back down again here in September, and then we rocketed on up here pretty much throughout October, November, and that's pretty much the time period that we saw the metaverse coins go up as well. So it went from about $1.20 all the way to highs of over $4.85 or so. So about a 300% gain in a matter of 2 months. So if you would have invested $1,000 right there, you would have made about $3,000 in profit very quickly in a matter of 2 months, which is not something you're going to see usually in the market. Current market cap on this coin is going to be $3 billion. Volume is down 6% at 394.3 million. Typical hold time is going to be 23 days. It is ranked the number 35 coin on the list. 59% buy activity, 41% sell activity. Now, Engine is a Ethereum token that aims to make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens. ENG is used to directly back the value of NFTs minted within the Engine ecosystem. How does all this work? Well, the Engine token is the platform's native currency. When a new NFT is minted on the network, a chosen amount of Engine is minted into the token. The locked funds give the newly built goods real world value, as each item can be at any point melted back into the underlying ENG backing. Now, the engine platform can also provide software developer kits that equip developers with tools to build their own NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain and enable their integration into the gaming ecosystem or apps for their choice. The platform also maintains its own native NFT marketplace and a wallet with NFT support. So something to keep in mind with this is NFTs created with Engine use a standard called ERC-1155, which was developed by Engine's team and is distinct from the more common ERC-721 standard pioneered by the NFT art project CryptoPunks. So definitely an interesting coin here, as long as the NFT world continues to grow, which I believe it will, especially with the metaverse. So Engine is definitely a popular coin to be watching, and still market cap is on the lower side in my opinion at 3 billion. Plenty of upside potential in the future years to come. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. This one here in the past 24 hours is up about 10%, trading at 196. In the past week, we're up 12%. So even with the dip that we saw here, over Thanksgiving to 150, we made a comeback from that area point of over 30% or so. So in the past month, we're up about 1%. And then on the 1 year chart, 10,382%. Last December, this was trading at 0.0189, so about 2 cents almost. We hit highs here, obviously, in May. This is when, the whole green renewable energy, I guess altcoins were getting popular. So it went from $1 all the way to highs of almost $3, pulled back down, and then the rest of the market pretty much flash crashed. We saw it go all the way down to lows of 69 cents and then come back up over the highs of $2. But from the 69 cents area to now, it's up over 150+% in a matter of a few months. So buying the dip is always a great opportunity for future holds. So 13.8 billion here market cap. Volume is up 47% higher than usual at 2 billion. We have 57% buy activity and 43% sell activity on Polygon. So Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network. A scaling solution for Ethereum, Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using two side chain or layer 2 side chains, which are blockchains that are run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. And then the Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So this coin for the future, one of the green, reliable, more eco-friendly, I guess you could say, coins to mine. Definitely an interesting one to add to your radar with plenty of upside in the future as well. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Binance Coin Bnb. So this one is up about 2% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $639. In the past week, we're up 8%. Past month, 21%. And then on the 1 year chart, 2,023%. Last year, this was trading at $30. We saw highs here in February, pulled back down, consolidated, hit new highs in April, and then May again at almost $700 right here. Pulled back down with the market to lows of 262. It went sideways here for a little bit, came back up, pulled back down here in September, and then throughout October and November, we continued to hit, nice peaks here with almost hitting all-time highs here, hitting highs of 654. So we were about $50 away from all-time highs. So the thing we can see right now is the highs are getting higher and the lows are getting lower, which is beautiful. Binance Coin is on its way to all-time highs, in my opinion. Market cap is at over 106.8 billion right now. Volume is flat, and then we obviously have here Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount, which obviously we know, as we're familiar with Binance Coin, it is one of the more popular coins out there. And as it's ranked number 3 right now, it's definitely a coin that's interesting in my opinion, as it's close to hitting all-time highs, as is Ethereum as well. And as Ethereum goes, I believe Binance Coin will as well. So that is very interesting to say, nonetheless. So right here, let's take a look at the rest of the market, guys, after we've covered those. Solana up 3%, trading at 222 still, so making nice gains here, almost at all-time highs. Then, like we said, we saw, the memes here pull back down, both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu had a huge run here on Tuesday, and then a huge, pullback here on Wednesday, or as we're seeing right now. So, in the past week, we can see we saw a huge pop here going into Tuesday, and then came back down, tried to stay there, and then pulled back down here on Wednesday. So seeing a little bit of a pullback. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like we said, trading at 1% lower at 57,000 right now. We were at highs of 59,000 on Tuesday, pulled back down, and we've been trading sideways here for the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're flat. In the past month, down 6%. Past year, we're up over 204%, with the highs right there at 69,000, like we said. So we're about $12,000 away from that. 1.1 trillion market cap right now, 32% crypto market space. Volume is flat, like we said, 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity. Then we look at Ethereum, and the picture is totally different, guys. So this one is up over 1.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, 7%. Past month, 9%. And then on the 1-year chart, 398%. So we're only about $120, $130 away from the all-time highs, which could happen any moment now. So 555.2 billion market cap. It's closing up here on Bitcoin, catching up closely or slowly. 17% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 27%, almost at 30 billion in volume. 58% buy activity, 42% sell activity. So Ethereum is playing that catch-up game, and we're waiting for that flipping to happen in the future. I personally still think it's going to happen in the next 5, 10, or 15 years. Obviously, the flipping where, Ethereum is going to be valued more or higher market cap compared to Bitcoin. But that's obviously just my opinion. That's something that I believe will happen in the future, and we're watching it very closely as Ethereum has overachieved and definitely destroyed Bitcoin this year overall. I mean, Ethereum's up over 600, 700% on the year. Meanwhile, Bitcoin only about 200%. So if Ethereum continues this trend, it could definitely catch up very, very soon. So that's definitely interesting. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button for more content like this, guys. The same for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.